you're doing today.
What's up everyone, it's your girl Njerie Gitau here. For those who are new, welcome, karibuni. Feel free to take a seat and hit that subscribe button so that you can become a part of the family. For those who are back for the second, third or even umpteenth time, then welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a Flexirods set. I wanted to try the hair paint wax on fairly dry hair, and I wanted to see whether I'd get purple curls from the Flexirod, and as you can see, I already achieved them. So if you want to see how I got here, keep watching the video all the way to the end. And without other motion, let's just jump straight into the video. I'm starting out on stretched and detangled hair, and I'm going to section it in the middle just to divide that section into two, so that I can be able to work on it comfortably. Then I'm going to try and again divide this into two, just so that I can have a guideline for how I'm going to partition my hair before I put in the Flexirods. I'm going to use 15 Flexirods on each side, 15 on this side and 15 on this side. And this is something I have never done before, but I want to try. Since my hair is dry and stretched, I had said I'll try this hair paint wax when my hair is dry. So I want to see how it will look and it will hold when I start off on dry hair. And then I'm going to go in with my Creme of Nature foaming mousse, just so that it can be able to slick down the hair on the Flexirods. And I hope it will last, because you can see where it is and I have to use it on my entire head. So for the rest of the demonstration, I'll just be going in with this, then going in with my Flexirod here. So let me just start from the front so that I can demonstrate and you can be able to see, since it's the closest. Now that I successfully look like Medusa, aka I am done installing the Flexirods, I'm going to let them air dry for whichever period it will take. I hope it will dry overnight, and then I'll film the takedown process tomorrow. So it's the next day and I want to undo my Flexirods. The one thing I really hate about these things is sleeping in them and showering in them because I usually do them overnight. So I'm just going to undo them and really hope that they are completely dry. So now I'm going to just separate the curls, and I'll probably not pick it because I don't want to mess with the curl pattern too much. And also it looks like it'll rain. So if I pick it, it'll be a disaster. But if I leave it unpicked, there's hope for the curl definition just remaining as is. So let me just separate and fluff, and then you can see how it looks like. How my hair looks after separating it, and you can see I have curl definition and some fair amount of volume. I'm sure it will get bigger as the days go by. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have anything to comment about in terms of the hair paint works or even the Flexirod set, or if you have a question or something to add, just let me know in the comment section below. And you know the drill, if you've gotten to this part of the video and you still haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get timely alerts whenever I drop a new video. That's all for today, and I guess I will see you in the next one.